Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to archive a contact in Xero. This is a useful feature when you want to clean up your contact list without losing any transaction history or important records. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to Xero.com. Once you're on the homepage, sign in using your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you can start a free trial to get access to all of Xero's features. After logging in, you'll be directed to the Xero dashboard, which is your central hub for managing all your accounting tasks. Now that you're on the dashboard, take a look at the main navigation menu at the top of your screen. This is where you'll find all the primary tools and features Xero offers. Locate the Contacts option in this top navigation menu and click on it. An expanded menu will appear with several options related to managing your contacts. From this expanded menu, select All Contacts. This will take you to a comprehensive view of everyone you've added to your Xero account. You'll now see a complete list of all the contacts in your account, including both suppliers and customers. This page displays everyone you've ever worked with or added to your system, making it easy to manage your business relationships in one place. Browse through this list carefully to find the specific contact you wish to archive. Scrolling through might take a moment if you have a large number of contacts, so take your time to locate the right person or business. Once you've found the contact you want to archive, select them by clicking on the checkbox located on their left side. You'll notice the checkbox gets ticked, indicating that this contact is now selected. This selection method is straightforward and ensures you're archiving the correct contact. After selecting the contact, direct your attention to the top column header where you'll see several action buttons. Among these options, you'll find an Archive button. Click on this button and a confirmation window will immediately appear on your screen. This is an important safeguard to prevent accidental archiving. Before you proceed, it's crucial to understand what archiving actually does. This function only archives the contact, which means they'll be restricted from being selected in any new transactions going forward. However, all their historical transaction data will remain intact and accessible. This is particularly useful when you want to keep your active contact list clean without losing any important financial records. Once you've considered this and are certain you want to proceed, click on the Archive button in the confirmation window to finalize the action. And there you have it. You've successfully archived a contact in Xero while preserving all their transaction history. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.